Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. In this video we are going to discuss अगर आपने कोई गुड्स या सर्विसेज जो है परचेज की थी और द सेलर हैज डिफॉल्टेड टू गिव द पर्टिकुलर क्वालिटी विच हैज promised at the time of purchase of goods or service, right? And the seller has not fulfilled any commitment which is given at the time of the purchasing of the goods, right? So how to file the case before the consumer court, right? There is some monetary limit on the basis of which the case will be filed in district commission, state commission and national commission, right? So in this video we are going to discuss how to file a case in the district commission, right? And what are the options are available to you with you to resolve your case, right? And take a remedy from the court. So first of all, who is eligible to file the case in the court, right? So first of all, individual customers, voluntary consumer organization, class actions, legal heirs or representatives, central or state government, central consumer protection authority and guardians of the minor are eligible to file the case before the honorable court, right? And what are the grounds on which you can file the case? First is the defective goods. You have received the defective goods or you have not received the services which is promised at the time of the purchase. Deficient service, unfair trade practices, hazardous goods or service overcharging. Types of consumer complaint, right? So first of all, what are the steps, step by step process of filing the consumer complaint in Rajasthan? So first of all, gather all of the evidence, right? Like invoice, warranties, photo of defects, attempt direct resolution, choose a consumer complaint portal, and file a complaint on the National Consumer Helpline, right? And as well as you can file the complaint on the eDakhil portal. Thereafter, draft a complaint and in which includes the complainant name, address and contact details, business details, right? And grievance summary, relief sought, and thereafter submit the documents like upload evidence and identification like Aadhaar and PAN and pay the fees, right? तो ये सभी चीजें आपको जो है करनी है जब आप एक कंज्यूमर कंप्लेन फाइल करना चाहते हैं. देन कंज्यूमर कोर्ट में आप जो है यहाँ पर केस फाइल कर सकते हैं ऑफलाइन मोड से भी. तो इसके अंदर भी ऑलमोस्ट सेम प्रोसेस रहता है. अब हम जान लेते हैं कि जो जुरिस्डिक्शन होता है वो डिसाइड होता है मॉनेटरी वैल्यू पर कि आपका जो केस है वो कितने अमाउंट का है. तो अगर आपका वैल्यू जो है वो 50 लाख रुपीज तक की है तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमीशन इसको रिजोल्व करेगा. देन अगर वैल्यू 50 लाख से 2 करोड़ की है तो स्टेट कमीशन करेगा एंड नेशनल कमीशन करेगा अगर 2 करोड़ से ज्यादा की है. Then you can file the complaint, submit the relevant complaint with the commission. So this is the whole process for filing the complaint with the state commission, district commission and national commission, right? So if you are not satisfied with the decision of the district commission, you can file appeal on the against the decision of the district commission. If you are not satisfied with the state commission decision, you can also file that appeal to the national commission. So this is the hierarchy of filing the cases and appeal. So I hope this video is very helpful for understanding how to file. Thank you guys for watching this video.